going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, this is a very special video for everyone here today. This is the masterful of FSD on some really back roads. We are basically driving into a mountain, up a mountain, through a mountain, from Virginia into Maryland, and there was an accident on 15 North, and FSD just rerouted and took me through a mountain. And look at some of these incredible maneuvers that FSD is doing to get me around this mountain. This is just insane. Like, thank God for this. Like, I would have been so lost. I don't even know this area really well, and I was going up this way, and because there was a crash, you had to take the detour, and at that point there's no choice, so thankfully I have enough charge and everything. We're good. Whoa, look at this, puddles. It was raining really bad weather out, so I don't know what happened. There was a sign up saying that there was a detour, and then all of a sudden, yeah. So here we are, and I'm just showing you how FSD is working in these are not real roads here. Look at this. This is gravel. I'm driving on gravel, and FSD is driving on gravel with cars coming at me on basically a one-lane road. Like, it's like 1849 or something. Like, look at this. It's the 1800s. Like, this is how they drove in the 1800s. And I got this going with FSD. Pretty incredible. And the way that it's maneuvering around the mountains, I am actually very impressed. And this is not even version 13. And what it's capable of in its decision-making process, the input, of all this data that it's taken in, it's gotten really good, man. I'm at a point where, I definitely know FSD drives better than I do at this point. And when I started driving, I did not feel this way. Now this is incredible. What the F kind of truck is this right here? So now we have to kind of make a full stop. Whoa, can we go around this truck? Are we okay to continue? I guess so. Wow. So as you can see, the driving conditions up here are just crazy. You can see branches falling all over the place. So, I'm really glad I have FSD right now. And it's not like the first thing you would think about that would come in handy in this moment, but you have no idea how incredible it's working. It's actually doing more than I can, on this gravel road. This is very impressive driving, I have to say. FSD, 10 out of 10, highly recommend, especially for the rural areas. I don't get enough driving like this, off-roading and stuff like that. This is not technically off-roading, but yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, it's pretty messy back here. So you got to be careful using FSD, but its capabilities are incredible. Shout out to AI driver. He posted a video with v13 doing a 3-point turn, U-turn, getting out of a really tight spot, and I was so impressed with that video. I remember I ran up to my coworker and showed him the moment AI driver released it. I had retweeted it right away, but at the same time, a few days later, BMW actually commented on that video, and they said impressive. I remember I was looking at Twitter, X, whatever, yeah, on X a lot, maybe too much sometimes, but yeah, I saw that comment from BMW say massive. And I was like, hold up, this is something that I need to take in and tell people, and you know, I did, and then I think I deleted it today, so I'm not sure what happened with that, but oh my gosh, the way FSD drove through this mountain experience was just incredible. Shout out to Dirty Tesla. I know he does a lot of these off-roading experiences, and here we go. This is what I was talking about with the accident that occurred that made everyone go, man, FSD really did its thing and took me around everywhere I needed to go in that situation. Wow, I'm just really stunned at how great it is, like a usable software for you and your family that you could use. You know, it just drives forever. It doesn't get tired. You know, it doesn't need to stop for coffee. You know, think about that, like going to the beaches and New York and this and that. Like, trust, like, you know, autonomy is here, and it's scary. You know, it's good. We're far. You know, people and computers, it's hard to say, but like, if you ever heard like the chess, you know, match, people, oh my gosh, look at this. This is gonna be impossible. I don't know, is it gonna let me go? Oh, you let FSD go. But I think it was okay. Yeah, it was my right away anyways. But I think, you know, and when it comes to like compute power and humans, I think you know, the moment computers beat us in chess, that was the moment that I don't want to use any curse words, but you know, humanity really took a turn in a way where we're gonna be self-reliant, so you gotta try to be very vigilant, you know, and think for yourself and do for yourself, and you know, yeah, things like that, because your kids are not gonna need to learn how to drive, so to say, based on what I'm seeing here. So anyways, really impressed with version 12. At this point, version 12 is phenomenal, and it can work, you know, for just about everyone. It's like a epic one-size-fit-all solution. But v13 on the way, okay? I don't even know where to take it from there, you know. They said they're gonna give us free cameras if it doesn't accomplish v13. Oh, look at this, and just FYI, if anyone's wondering where I was, that's the bridge into Frederick right there. So I'm officially driving into Frederick. Yay. We are now officially in Maryland. Maryland, who holds the record of all the states of 190 Tesla cars that got together for the light show. It's on the news. Check it out. All right, want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This was a super fun one to shoot. Oh my gosh, I will watch this one over and over and over with the mountain. The way it went around the cars in the mountain is just so incredible. Hit that like button if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more.